Noticing more hair in your brush than usual? Feeling frustrated by thinning strands or a receding hairline? You're not alone. Hair loss is something many of us deal with at some point. Since our hair plays a big role in how we look and feel, it's natural to worry when it starts thinning. There are plenty of reasons this happens: stress, hormonal changes, poor diet, pollution, allergies, genetics, and even the way we care for our hair. The good news? You don't have to break the bank on expensive treatments to get fuller, healthier locks. Nature has some powerful solutions. Here are 14 simple yet effective home remedies to help restore thickness and strength to your hair, naturally. Number 1. Eggs. A protein-packed treatment for strength and shine. Protein is essential for strong, healthy hair, and eggs are one of the best natural sources. Beat 1 or 2 eggs, depending on your hair length, until they are well mixed and slightly frothy, which helps with even application. Apply the egg mixture to damp hair, ensuring full coverage from roots to tips. Let it sit for 30 minutes to allow the proteins to penetrate and strengthen hair strands. Rinse with lukewarm water and shampoo as usual. Use this treatment once or twice a week for the best results. Another option is to mix 1 egg yolk, 1 tablespoon of your preferred hair oil, and 2 tablespoons of water. Massage this into your scalp and rinse after 30 minutes. Repeat once a week. Emily from London, UK. I was skeptical about using eggs on my hair at first, but after just a few weeks, I noticed less breakage and more shine. My hair feels stronger and looks thicker. Number 2. Olive oil. Deep nourishment for fuller hair. Olive oil is rich in antioxidants and essential fatty acids that strengthen hair and add volume. Warm some olive oil slightly to improve absorption, then gently massage it into your scalp using circular motions to stimulate blood circulation and enhance nourishment. Leave it on for 30 to 45 minutes before washing it out with a mild shampoo. For deeper hydration, leave the oil overnight and shampoo your hair in the morning. For an extra boost, mix olive oil with honey and apply it to your hair. Let it sit for 30 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. Use either of these methods once or twice a week for thicker, healthier hair. James from Toronto, Canada. I started massaging warm olive oil into my scalp twice a week, and the difference is incredible. My hair feels softer, and I've noticed less shedding. Number 3. Avocado. A vitamin E-rich hair mask. Avocado is packed with vitamins and natural oils that deeply moisturize and strengthen hair. Mash 1 ripe avocado and 1 banana until you get a smooth, lump-free consistency. Then, mix in 1 tablespoon of olive oil for added moisture and nourishment. Apply the mixture to your scalp and hair, leaving it on for 30 minutes. Rinse thoroughly and shampoo as usual. Alternatively, mix half a mashed avocado with 2 tablespoons of wheat germ oil for an ultra-hydrating mask. Apply to freshly washed hair, leave on for 20 minutes and rinse well. Use an avocado hair mask once a week for the best results. Olivia from Sydney, Australia. I tried the avocado and banana mask, and after the first use, my hair felt incredibly soft. After a month, I saw noticeable thickness and shine. Number 4. Castor oil. A natural hair growth booster. Cold-pressed castor oil is one of the most effective natural remedies for hair thickening, thanks to its high vitamin E and fatty acid content. Warm equal parts of castor oil and coconut oil, since castor oil alone can be too thick. Massage the oil into your scalp using firm, circular motions for 5 to 10 minutes to improve blood flow and ensure deep penetration of nutrients. Comb your hair to evenly distribute the oil and remove tangles. Cover your head with a warm, damp towel and leave it on for at least 1 hour. Wash your hair as usual. Using this remedy once a week can help promote thicker, shinier hair over time. At first, castor oil felt too thick, but mixing it with coconut oil made it easier to apply. After consistent use, my hair feels fuller and stronger. Number 5. Aloe Vera. Nature's miracle for hair. The aloe vera plant has various health benefits for the skin, scalp, and hair. Applying aloe oil directly to the scalp may help strengthen hair and promote thickness. Extract fresh aloe gel and rub it gently into your hair and scalp, focusing on dry or thinning areas to soothe irritation and promote healthier hair growth. Let it sit for 30 minutes before washing it out. Mix with coconut oil or olive oil for added nourishment. Use this treatment once or twice a week. Sophie from Melbourne, Australia. Aloe Vera has been a game changer for my hair. It soothes my scalp and makes my hair feel fresher and healthier with every use. Number 6. Proper nutrition, the foundation of healthy hair. A nutritious diet rich in healthy fats, proteins, and vitamins can help prevent hair thinning. In fact, thin hair can be a sign of nutrient deficiency. To support strong and thick hair growth, incorporate these essential nutrient-rich foods into your daily diet. Salmon, rich in protein and fatty acids. Eggs contain protein, omega-3s, and iron. Walnuts and almonds are great sources of fatty acids. Greek yogurt, high in protein. Beans, black pinto, etc., loaded with protein. Adding 1 to 2 servings of these foods daily, or at least 3 to 4 times a week, can improve hair health significantly. Liam from Vancouver, Canada. I started adding more protein and healthy fats to my diet, and within 2 months I could see a difference in my hair's texture and volume. Number 7. Coconut oil, a natural protector for your hair. A 2015 review found that hair strands can absorb coconut oil, preventing breakage and split ends. Another study in the same year observed that coconut oil can thicken hair and stimulate its growth. Sarah from New York shared that after incorporating coconut oil into her routine, she noticed a significant improvement in her hair texture. She applies it overnight as a deep conditioning treatment and wakes up to softer, shinier hair. Number 8. Rosemary oil, a natural alternative to Minoxidil. Rosemary oil can be applied directly to the scalp or mixed with regular shampoo. A 2015 study compared its effects with Minoxidil, Rogaine, in people with androgenetic alopecia. The study found that rosemary oil was equally effective in reducing scalp itchiness and promoting hair growth. Mark from Los Angeles mentioned that after 3 months of using rosemary oil, his scalp felt healthier and his hair shedding reduced significantly. He enjoys the light herbal scent and finds it soothing. Number 9. Orange Puree, a citrus boost for your hair. Vitamin C, pectin, and acids in oranges offer multiple benefits for hair. They enhance natural shine, make hair appear thicker, and help remove residue from hair products that may interfere with growth. Unlike other treatments, orange puree also has a pleasant scent. How to use. Blend fresh oranges into a puree, massage into the scalp, leave for about an hour, then rinse. A light conditioner afterward helps maintain moisture. Priya from Mumbai said she loves the fresh citrus scent and the lightweight feel it leaves behind. She noticed her hair looking fuller and healthier after just a few treatments. Number 10. Hairstyling and scalp massage. Gentle care for fragile hair. The American Academy of Dermatology Association, AAD, highlights that thin hair is more fragile and prone to damage. They recommend using a gentle shampoo that retains moisture, applying a moisturizing conditioner to prevent breakage, using a leave-in conditioner to reduce frizz, wrapping hair in a microfiber towel before blow drying. Warning: avoid frequent use of curling or flat irons as they weaken hair. Pulling hair back in tight ponytails or buns can also lead to permanent hair loss. Emma from Sydney shared that switching to a sulfate-free shampoo and using a silk pillowcase significantly reduced her hair fall and breakage over time. Number 11. Microneedling, stimulating hair follicles for growth. Also known as micro-rolling, this technique involves shaving the scalp and pricking it with tiny sterilized needles. A 2013 study showed that microneedling, combined with topical minoxidil, promotes hair regrowth, fullness, and thickness. Carlos from Toronto reported that after a few microneedling sessions, he saw baby hairs emerging. Although he experienced mild discomfort, the results were worth it. Number 12. Pumpkin seed oil, a natural solution for thicker hair. Scientific evidence suggests that pumpkin seed oil promotes denser, thicker hair in individuals with androgenetic alopecia. A clinical trial on 76 men with male pattern baldness showed a 40% increase in hair count after 6 months of taking pumpkin seed oil capsules. A study on 30 women with female pattern baldness found a significant decrease in hair miniaturization and increased regrowth after 3 months. David from Chicago stated that after regularly taking pumpkin seed oil supplements, he noticed improved hair density and reduced shedding within a few months. Number 13. Peppermint oil. A refreshing boost for hair growth. While human trials are limited, animal studies show that peppermint oil significantly increases hair density. Research on mice demonstrated a 92% increase in hair growth within a month, comparable to minoxidil's effects. Menthol, a key component, improves blood circulation to the scalp. Additional benefits. Peppermint oil reduces inflammation and itchiness from dandruff and seborrheic dermatitis, preventing unnecessary hair breakage from scratching. Olivia from London loves the cooling, refreshing sensation it provides. She applies it before washing her hair and has noticed a decrease in scalp irritation and an increase in hair volume. Number 14. Black seed oil, a remedy for hair thinning and scalp health. Black seed oil is one of the few natural remedies proven effective against telogen effluvium. A study on 20 women with this condition showed significant hair density improvement in 70% of participants after 3 months. Thymoquinone, its active component, has anti-inflammatory properties that regulate the hair growth cycle, reducing excess shedding. Additional benefits. Black seed oil possesses antifungal and antibacterial properties, relieving scalp conditions like dandruff, seborrheic dermatitis, and folliculitis. Aisha from Dubai shared that using black seed oil has made her hair significantly thicker, and it has helped control her dandruff issues effectively. That's it for today's video on natural home remedies for thicker, healthier hair. We've covered some powerful treatments, from protein-packed eggs to nourishing oils, that can help you achieve fuller locks naturally. Have you tried any of these remedies before, or do you have your own secret hair thickening hack? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more hair care tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay healthy, stay confident, and keep your hair thriving. See you in the next video.